A brief on Vedanta. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Sadashiva Samarambham Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmad Acharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. As Pujya Swami Dayananda Saraswati Ji said, we are so busy solving topical problems of life that we never get a chance to come to the fundamental problem. Many of us do not even see or know of the fundamental problem that we are complete, Purnam as is, yet we suffer from a wanting, from a becoming, from feeling insecure. We are lost in samsara. Therefore, when we are so busy solving our day-to-day problems, we have no time or energy or the interest or even the knowledge that there is a fundamental problem by solving which all the other problems of samsara are automatically solved. We are the problem and we are the solution. The solution comes by the way of Vedanta or the Upanishads, which are called Sahasra Matravat. This knowledge is equivalent to 1,000 mothers. Shruti is equivalent to 1,000 mothers. She will take care of us like 1,000 mothers will. Table of contents. We start with the overview of why Vedanta, if Vedanta is for me, and if it will answer my questions and solve my problems. We move on to staying with the sacred, the various ways in which we can be connected to this knowledge and also access this knowledge. Vedanta capsules are 2-3 slides which encapsulate all the main concepts of Vedanta for those in a hurry, followed by a few anecdotes of personal journey which led me to this study. And then what I learned at the Arsha Vidya Gurukulam, having studied under Pujya Swami Shri Dayananda Saraswati Ji. Also Vedanta and its usefulness to humanity, and where do I go for Vedanta studies? How does one do Vedanta study? Is it by reading books? Can I do self-study? All such questions. What in fact constitutes Vedanta studies? What happens when I go to a Gurukulam? Do I need to be a sannyasi to go to a Gurukulam? Are Gurukulams safe? Because people talk about all kinds of things about Gurukulams and gurus. Key concepts of Vedanta. The types of Gurukulams. The types of Vedanta. Dvaita, Advaita, Visishta Advaita. Various methods of inquiry. What is the methodology or pedagogy of what is involved in studying Vedanta? Various misconceptions that could arise while studying Vedanta. And the takeaways. My own takeaways. Acharyavan Purusho Veda, which means the Shruti or Vedas are so confident that if you have a proper guru and you're a ready Shishya, there is no way that you will not know. So Acharyavan, the one who has a teacher, a guru, that person, Purusho Veda, that person knows. And what does that person know? That person knows oneself. The whole of Vedanta is about discovering, knowing who we already are. Atmavat sarva bhuteshu yaf pashyati sapashyati.